Good afternoon, students. Our next chapter is New Kings and Kingdom. So, as you all seeing in the map that is given below, there are some new dynasties and kingdoms were emerged in this century, majorly in 7th century AD. Okay, some of them are Chahmans, Gurjar Pratihars, Rashtrakutas, Chol Empire, and some major other ruling dynasties are emerged in the subcontinent between the 7th and 12th centuries. So these uh, these what can you say dynasties were big landlords or warrior chiefs in different regions of the subcontinent, and the existing kings often acknowledge them as their samans or subordinates. Samant means their a chief king under which some of smaller kings, they are called samant or subordinates to the main king. Okay, and they were expected to bring gifts for their kings or overlords and provide them with military support. And the main ruling dynasties were Gurjar Pratihars, Pals, Rashtrakutas, and Chahmans in North India, and the Chol, Pandyas, and Chalukya in the South India. So these are some major dynasties that were emerged between the 7th and 12th century. Okay, and Rashtrakuta were also a major dynasty in this period. Okay, so what is Samant and what is subordinate? Okay, majorly Samant is called subordinate in English. So Samant is who, a small king under the main king, just like Mughal Empire and Aurangzeb. Okay, so under Aurangzeb, many kings are uh, established their power under umbrella of Mughal Empire. So Aurangzeb was called the main king, and other kings who established their power and control their region under the umbrella of Mughal Empire. So they are called Samanta of Mughal Empire. Okay, so that's how some other Rashtrakoot rulers who overthrew the Chalukya dynasty and perform a रिचुअल कॉल्ड हिरण्यगर्भ। हिरण्यगर्भ क्या है? एक तरह का यज्ञ है जिसके द्वारा आप जो है ऐसा माना जाता था कि अपने किंग का आप अम्ब्रेला यानी कह सकते हैं उसके अंडर में आप नहीं रहना चाहते हैं, तो वो आप रिचुअल करिए और आप खुद एक बड़ी डायनेस्टी या राजा बन सकते हैं। तो राष्ट्रकूट चीफ जो दंती दुर्ग था उसने यही किया। चालुक्य जो उनके ओवरलॉर्ड थे यानी उनके मालिक थे, उनके अगेंस्ट जो है हिरण्यगर्भ यज्ञ का आयोजन किया, और फाइनली उसने जो है अपने आप को जो है चालुक्य किंग से अलग कर लिया और ख़ुद एक डायनेस्टी बन के उभरे। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जो है किंगडम्स ऐसे ही इमर्ज होके आए। लाइक राष्ट्रकूटास, गुर्जर प्रतिहार हु वर ब्राह्मण्स, दे ऑल्सो took up the arms and gave up their traditional profession of Brahman. So that's how they established the kingdoms in Karnataka and Rajasthan. Okay, so how they are now emerged between the 7th and 12th century, this is their storyline. Okay.